Yeah, yes, it's two B's. Original fucking Gypsy.
Original.
And I go by the name of Chief Bugsy Riches. Don't get it twisted, aka Lady Young Dan. But we finna put on for the riches. We finna show y'all how Beach Bound really do they shit. BIP the homies, BIP Little Small Moon, BIP Carrie. Rest in peace to the bro Brandon. Free to dance.
Bino motherfucking Riches. Hit me on AIM. BINOFUT2KN. You know what it is. Bino motherfucking Riches. Gambino Riches. Shout outs to the Flames. D3 Flame. Kai3 Flame. KC Flame. Certified Flame. All the homies. Cuz BIP Little Small Moon. BIP Carrie. Free the homies. Free to dance. You already know.
Yeah, cuz, Beach Bound, Richest Mafia, cuz, gotta give it up. I love the city, cuz.
Freestyle
I
session.
rep Long Beach, young. Yeah, today, just for the record, this B3 Richest speaking, cuz. Give it up for Doggy Dog, Free Zag, and T Biscuit, young. How that's
Free the
crazy,
homies.
cuz. Free the homies, cuz. BIP, all the homies, cuz. Let's get this shit. 2B's movement, FMOE, and 2B's, cuz.
Hey, I got a beat for y'all. Y'all ready? Y'all got this?
You
Cuz,
know
we
what it
ready,
is,
cuz. Slap
cuz.
that shit, cuz.
Slap it.
Ah,
yo.
we
cuz.
faded.
Oh, yeah.
Slapper.
Yeah.
Yeah, you come with that.
Look.
What happened to that boy, young? Yeah, get him. Yeah.
Look, yeah, what happened to that boy? He was snitching, so we put the clap into that boy. And damn, what happened to cuz friend? He did the same shit, so you will never see him again, huh? Cause the closed mouth don't get fed, but the first one to open his gon' get led, and the last one to speak, that's more than likely me. I got the cops aggravated, cause I never ever squeak. Don't change the link and never change a lie, or you behind the bars for the next 25. Or that boy that we talking about might be you. I shot his brains out, he might need a DJ Clue. Yeah, look, it's the original Gypsy spitting off the dome, and I'm screaming fuck filthies. What happened to that boy? We made him get back. Me and B3 left him out to dry like a dish rag. It's Bino Riches, you know what it is.
Beach Bound. Two
Yeah,
B's.
yeah.
We in
yeah.
there.
One more time for the camera before I get it, young. Yeah. Look. Beats bound at the top and we holding it.
Yep.
Disrespect that. My condolences.
Sorry.
Walk in the room and it's any money mode, bitch. All these hoes want a sack, get a hold of this. The boy get cake, chocolate, the flow is rich. Yeah, I'm a dog, pull a leash out and hold your bitch. I got dick control, hoes want to control dick. But it's riches over ratchets to the stone split. Niggas faking they hate, I see how mad it is. Bitches coming, they love, they see the acting shit. Springing the pussy, leave them sprung like mattresses. Pussy gushy like jelly, nigga, but I'm jamming it.
Sheesh.
Yeah, that's how I get it in, it's savage shit.
B3.
Meanwhile, I'm on the road to bitches and I'm mapping it out in the process. Beach bound progress, get in the way of that and get your whole top wet. It's beach bound. Yeah.
Yeah.
Two
Yeah.
B's.
You know what it is,
Yeah.
cuz. Freestyle
Yeah.
session with the bros. We turned, cuz.
Yeah.
Up all night.
Yeah.
Beach bound shit.
Yeah.
Got the bottles and popping, yeah.
Yeah.
All I'm
Poppin'.
saying.
Man.
Part
Yeah,
two to
what
come,
happened
it's
to
coming.
that boy?
Look. Look.
What happened to that boy? He was snitching, so we put the clapping to that boy.
Just for the record, these my niggas, this my killer, this my young goon. I love these niggas, yeah.
Yeah, shout outs to the Flames, shout out to the Japan, shout outs to everybody from the squad,
Yeah.
cuz I see you. Beachy Babes, Billionaire Barbies, you know what it is. We giving it up to the fullest, cuz.
Here we are.
And we on BIP Little
Two
Small
B's.
Moon, cuz I miss you, bro. Everything I do is for you, my nigga. Ha, Beach Bound, Original Gypsies. Yeah, and I'm screaming fuck filthies. SFGG, what that stand for? SFGG, what that stand for? You suck, for goodness grace. Yeah, you niggas suck, for goodness grace.
Yeah, you niggas suck, for goodness grace. And I understand that you pussies love to hate. Yeah, they say you all what you eat. I heard a wise man say, and for you niggas, the world is just a pussy buffet. Yeah, pussy ass niggas.
On
Yeah.
the set.
And we out
Yeah,
here.
you niggas suck, for goodness grace. In this beach bound riches and we running this shit. And we
Yeah.
taking the cake, and you know what it is, nigga. It's beach bound, RICHE $. Yeah, it's riches, nigga.
Fuck with us and
Yeah.
get wiped out.